Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn in the fundamental principle of counting? After that, exercise 7.1, 3 problems are completed. Next one, fourth problem. So, read carefully, open your textbooks and read carefully. How many 5-digit telephone numbers? How many 4-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9? Using the digits 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Using the digits 6, 7 up to 9. And totally 10 digits. Okay. 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9? 0 to 9 means how many numbers? 10 numbers. If each number start with 67, each number 5-digit telephone number, each number starting with 67. Start with 67 means first place filled by only 6 and second place filled by only 7. So only one way, because of the first place is always 6. The first place is always 6. The second place is always 6, 7. So there is no another number, no way, only single way. So first number is one way. No digit appears more than once. No digit appear more than once means no digit appear, no digit appear more than 1. So repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed means already 6, 7. The first place filled by, this is the first place. The first place filled by number 6. The first place filled by number 6. So how many ways? One way. So the second place filled by number 7. So how many ways? Only one way. So third place filled by totally 10 members. In 10 members, repetition is not allowed means already 6 number is already used and 7 also used. So remaining how many numbers? 8 members. Remaining 8 members. The third place filled by remaining 8 digits. Remaining 8 digits without 6 and 7 is how many ways? 8 ways. Without 8 means total 10 members. 8 means 6, 7. Removed from the total 10 numbers 6, 7. So repetition not allowed means first place filled by 6, 7, next 8, next one 7, next 6. So 6, 7 already 5 is fixed. Okay, remaining 7 numbers. Okay, the fourth place filled by 7 numbers. filled by 7 numbers. So that is equal to 7 ways. Next, the fifth place. The fifth place filled by 6 numbers, remaining 6 numbers and 6 ways. So by the principle of by the fundamental principle of counting. So 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6, 8 5 40, 48, 48 into 7, 48 into 7, 8 7 28, 33, 336 ways. 336 ways. Okay, fourth problem. Okay, clear. This is matter is not important. This is main thing, which how many digits form for fifth digit number. So 5 boxes. So with repetition not allowed means first 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So condition is given. What is condition? The first the number starting with 67. So first place filled by 6 fix, and second place filled by 7 fix. Okay. So a coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? The coin was tossed. The coin was tossed 3 times. So outcomes are recorded. First 3 tiles, 3 hearts. This is double HT, HTH, T double H. This is the first 3 heads. Next 2 heads. First 2 heads T. Next to HTH, THH. Next single head. Single head means remainings are tiles. So THT, TTH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of sample space is equal to 8. This is the second problem. Next to sixth problem. Given 5 flags of different colors, 5 flags. 5 flags, different colors. Five flags, different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags? Signal. So how many different signal can be generated? If each signal requires the use of 2 flags. Each symbol requires use of 2 symbols, 2 flags, 2 colors. Okay. One below the another. One below the another means this is the 2 flags, 2 colors, totally 5 colors. The first place, the up, filled by 5 colors. Second, already fixed, no repeated. Given flags, how many different color signals? Different colors means what? The repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed means the first place filled by up, the up flag filled by 5 colors. The next flag is filled by remaining 4 colors, because repetition not allowed, different flags are required. So this one 5 into 4 equal to 20. Okay, this is the matter. So matter, a simple method, the upper flag filled by 5 different colors, equal to 5 ways. The lower flag filled by simple matter, filled by remaining 4 flags, equal to 4 ways, by fundamental principle of counting, total number of different flags are how many? 5 into 4 is equal to 20 flags. Okay, clear? Next one. Next concept is permutation. Fundamental principle of counting and explanation and problems are completed. Now next definition, permutations. Oh, what is the permutation? Permutation is a arrangement. Permutations are nothing but arrangements of finite number of elements or finite number of things, all at a time or some elements or all elements at a time. This is the definition. Okay, what the first main one is, permutation is nothing but arrangements. The permutations is an arrangement. The permutation is arrangement in a defined order of a number, order of a number of objects, taken some or all at a time. So the permutations is an arrangement in a defined order of a number of objects, defined order means a sequence or something, anything. Defined order of a number of objects taken some overall all at a time. So the number of note formula in permutation, so repetition not allowed, repetition allowed. Arrangements two types, repetition is not allowed, repetition is allowed. So first repetition is not allowed. The number of permutations the number of permutations of n different objects taken R at a time where condition 0 less than or equal to n. ఈ r అనేది, so n objects are there, taken r only, r at a time, that r is nothing but less than or equal to n. Okay, r less than or equal to n means this is equal also, r equal to n also. And some are all at a time means some means r below. Now at a all means taken n at a time, so r less than or equal, the r range is 0 to n, 0 less than or equal to n, and the object do not repeat, and object do not repeated, is first time over, how to first the field of the total n, next 4 means what, the first field by total numbers, total objectives, and 5, for example here 5 flags are there, 5, and next step, next place filled by the 4 means what, 5 minus 1, next place 3 means what, n minus 2, so decreasing by 1. So first place filled by n objectives, next place filled by n minus 1, next place n minus 2, next place n minus 3, and so on up to last 1, up to 1. So 1 means n into n minus 1 into up to 1 is nothing but n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, n minus and so on, n minus r plus 1, which is denoted by simply NPR. Permutation is symbol is P. Permutation is symbol P. N objects taken R at a time. Arrange the R objects in N objects taken R at a time. Formula NPR. Simply NPR. Next to factorial notation. Factorial notation. The notation n factorial. The notation n, this is called factorial. This symbol n factorial. So n, this symbol is called factorial. N factorial represent the product of first n natural numbers. Product of first n natural numbers. That is product of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on into n. Okay, problems. Next concept, permutations. What is the permutation? The permutation is an arrangement in a defined order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. So what is the formula? The number of permutations of n different objects take an r at a time, take an r at a time where r is 0 less than or equal to n and object do not repeated, object not repeated. So this is the formula n into n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on up to n minus r plus 1, because here depending on the r is equal to how many, that's the meaning, depending on the r. So which is denoted by NPR, which is denoted by NPR. So factorial notation, factorial notation, the notation n factorial represent the notation n factorial. This is symbol of, this is symbol of n factorial, this is also factorial, this is n factorial, all factorial n factorial, this is factorial n, both are same symbols. So represent the product of first n natural numbers, first n natural number, that is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on n. So for example 5 factorial is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. n factorial is equal to 1 into up to n, product of 1 into up to n. So 5 factorial is equal starting number 1 to 5 numbers multiply, or 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, starting that number up to 1. This is 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 is equal to what? 1 into 3 into 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to what? 4 factorial into 5. So 5 into 4 factorial, or 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 3 factorial, or 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So 1 factorial is equal to 1, 2 factorial is equal to what? 1 into 2, 2 factorial is equal to 1 into 2, starting 1 to up to last number 2, or first the number up to 1. The 2 factorial, 2 into next one 1, next up to last number is 1. So this is 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, okay, no problem, and 1 into 5 also same. Okay, next to 0 factorial is equal to 1, 0 factorial is equal to 1. Next to 0 factorial is equal to 1, 1 factorial is equal to 1, 2 factorial is equal to 1. So n factorial is equal to what? N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on up to 1, compulsory up to last 1. Okay, this is the factorial notation, 5 factorial, n into n minus 1. So very important thing is n factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 factorial. Same like this. 5 is equal to 5 into 4 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, or n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial and so on. This is the factorial notation. This is simply. So next one, so this is the factorial notation, and value. Okay, clear? Factorial notation. So this is the permutations and factorial notation. Next, so many examples are there. 0 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. So n minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So that is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 1 factorial and so on. This is the factorial notation and permutations and first exercise problems. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the exercise.